look. I think everything worked out pretty well. I don't know if you're able to see the hair behind, but let me do something like that. Hi guys, today we're going to install my wig. It's 28 inches deep weave, 28 inches, got from a certain website. It comes pre-bleached and pre-plucked. The lace is HD. So the products that I'm going to be using today are the lace melting spray, the got to be glued, and I just have some clippers, the melting bands. First thing first, I'll try and comb the hair backwards. I want to kill two birds with one stone, so I'm gonna go ahead and start with my makeup just because time is finishing. I thought I had a lot of time to myself, but I guess not. The makeup looks like. I've not yet like completely finished with everything, but let's go to the hair. looks. I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit of water on the curls. How did I do this time? I feel like I did way much better than the first time I installed the wig, the last video that I made. And I hope to learn. I'll keep practicing.